BC's new HST has spawned a citizens' revolt and put the future of the governing Liberals in jeopardy.
But how hard will this tax hit the average person? Well, we sent our Norma readout on day one of the tax to find out.
My day began with something I can't live without.
Good morning.
Hi, good. Can I get a large black coffee?
We figure out how much more it costs today than yesterday.
$2.52 and HST 27 cents.
Okay.
Time for some reading material. A great way to enjoy the holiday, but it too just went up. Now it's time to pay for parking.
$2.36, 64 cents of tax.
But I'm not the only one.
Ouch, that is a lot of tax. What is it? It's 12%, right?
Yeah.
Total. Ouch.
Yeah, it is an ouch.
Ouch. Yep. Yeah, what else could I buy with $4.26? Lots of stuff.
A coffee that has HST.
That's right. Ah!
As I sit down for breakfast, I realize some people aren't taking it so well.
If we don't pay taxes, we don't get services. But this is not a tax, it's a tax grab.
Total bill is $11.81 and $1.26. There you go.
To work off that breakfast, I rent a bike in Yaletown.
So is there HST on these?
There's HST on everything.
And it adds up on my bill.
HST on $30 is $3.18.
Okay, that was long enough.
Next stop, heaven. What better way to end the day than a foot massage?
Like this is fine? Yeah, sure. Thank you.
As good as it feels, it's going to hurt my wallet.
$39.20? Yeah. Okay, and the regular price before tax was $35?
$35, yeah.
Okay.
That doesn't include the tip. At the end of the day, I paid $10.89 in tax, $3.96 more than I would have paid 24 hours ago.
Wow, looks like a pretty tough assignment, hey? Well, Pamela, there's still quite a lot of confusion out there about this tax. For example, I went to Shoppers Drug Mart to buy this exact first aid kit today. It's supposed to have the HST on it. And although my bill says that I was charged the HST, I wasn't. I was only charged GST. So I called up Shoppers to see what exactly happened, and they told me don't worry about it. And in fact, they went on to say that they're also not charging the full price for newspapers. So still a lot of confusion on both sides, businesses and consumers, Pamela.
Well, Norma, I think they'll figure it out pretty quickly. Thank you.